Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're looking at the current date condition in conditional rendering and how you can use it to control exactly when your content appears. By the end of this video you'll understand how it works and how to use it for things like scheduled promotions, day-based visibility, and even time of day targeting. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's jump in. The current date condition takes the current date and time from WordPress, formats it using the format you choose, and then compares that value to what you enter using a relational operator. So effectively, it's turning the current date and time into a formatted value and then checking if that matches your condition. Let's start with a simple example. I'm on the online school Prebuilt here, and I've added a container with a special offer. Now I'm going to use conditional rendering and the current date condition type to display this at different times. So here I will go to the Extras tab, and under Conditional Rendering, I will click on Add New Logic. To start, I will choose the current date condition type. I'll then set the format to capital Y-M-D, which gives us a sortable date format. You can use any date format you want here, as long as your inputted date matches it, but this one sorts well. I'll choose the relational operator of greater than, and then I will enter the value of 2026-04-01. Now what this means is that the container will only display after April the 1st, 2026. So if we save this and refresh the page on the front end, we can't see our container now, but it will appear on the 1st of April. So this is perfect for things like launching a promotion or revealing content after a certain date. Now let's take that a step further and combine conditions. I'll add a new condition, set current date, and add my date format, and for this one I will change the relational operator to less than and set a later date, say 2026-04-10. So now we have two conditions. Current date is greater than April the 1st and current date is less than April the 10th. And because these are combined with an AND condition, the container will only show between those two dates. This is ideal for things like sale periods, limited time offers, or event promotions. Next, let's look at targeting a specific day of the week. If we go to the WordPress article on customizing the time and date format and scroll down a bit, we can see that L is the format for the day of the week. So back in my conditions, I'll change the format to L. Then I will set the operator to equal to and enter a day, let's say Monday. And because it is a Monday today, if we save and then refresh, our container appears. This is really useful for things like weekly specials, recurring announcements, or scheduled content. As a final example, let's look at time-based conditions. This time I'll set the format to capital G:I, which gives us the hour of the day in 24-hour format. Now I can use a condition like greater than 1700. This would mean the container will show after 5 p.m. Or I could combine conditions to target a range, like greater than 800 and less than 1200, which would show the container only in the morning. This is great for things like time-sensitive messages, support availability notices, or even different calls to action throughout the day. So the key thing to remember is that the current date condition works by formatting the current date into a value and then comparing it to your input. Choose the right format and you can control visibility by date, day, or even time. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.